Talking to real humans is
How come I
hard.
run for their money? Oh, yeah. So, see ya.
Especially
Hi, my name's
strangers who
Chandler.
might question why
This is
you're
my
even
friend
bothering
Ross right
them.
here. We only need 6 more people for a human pyramid.
No wonder the younger generations are having a harder time meeting new people. But it's all about that first encounter.
Hi.
That magical moment when you make that real human connection. So what we need is the opportunity to practice these interactions. Today, we'll be trying out pickup lines on a chatbot.
バカにしてません。マジか。
Dialogue is humanity's greatest strength. It allows us to share the news, communicate pivotal ideas, and foster relationships.
Everyone here can talk to animals.
Understandably, it isn't as easy as it is for everyone. But what could help is the opportunity to practice with an AI. I've trained my own chatbot with over 4,000 conversations, and the goal here today is to make friends with it. This project is largely driven by NLTK and uses the Keras neural network to establish the topic of the conversation. Additionally, it uses speech to text to listen and also text to speech to talk. With the logic out of the way, let's do a quick test on the conversation algorithm. Hello, how are you?
Not bad, not bad. Where are you from?
I'm from China. How about you?
I am from Germany.
Perfect. Now let's use our pickup line. It's not the length of the vector that counts. It's how you apply the force.
I do not work at all.
Are you Google? Because you're everything I've been searching for.
Hey, no I'm not.
Oh yes you are.
I am going to school to be a lawyer.
Where are you from? Are you from Mars? Because you're out of this world.
Bye.
You are my loop condition. I keep coming back to you.
Oh, what a pity.
Is there Wi-Fi here? Because I feel a connection.
I do too. I'm a musician.
Oh. Me too actually.
Well, I guess I'll need a new job.
Why don't you give me one?
Well, it's possible to do both, I guess.
Looks like our AI has approved of this pickup line. Time to try it out in the real world.
This idea was tested in a state-of-the-art simulation.
Well, then it was a terrible simulation. Get out.
So, where are you from?
I am from the USA. You?
I'm from Japan.
You just said you're from China, but now you tell me you are from Japan. Where are you from?